What irks me about comic book writers, you guys are so damn boring. Just freaking boring people in an interview. Like, I don't know what the hell's wrong with y'all. Y'all need to go before the interview. Let me give you a tip. This is gonna help you. This is gonna help you if you're a comic book writer. I don't care, comic books, manga, whatever you do, and you are going to be interviewed on a video interview at that. This is what you need to do. This is gonna help you. I'm gonna need you to take 2 shots of something in your refrigerator, or snort something or whatever, because y'all cannot be going on interviews. Interviews are a performance. They're your chance, your best chance of people getting to know you, to see if they might want to get off their butts and buy your books if they're in comic book stores, or to order it or be in your Kickstarter. You have got to be freaking exciting or interesting. So don't y'all coming on an interview. It's like, I don't know what the hell's going on. Like, it kills me to watch these interviews. Do something. Come dressed as a clown. Come dressed as your character. Something. Cosplay. Do something. I'm gonna need you to do a bit more. Don't give me the antisocial bullshit, because I am a certified introvert. I love being in my house and hobbied up, but as you see, I am all over the place, talking to people, doing business, doing the thing. And then when I come on here, I try to give you something a little interesting. I try to be, to show you the way, the truth, and the light, because I am the way, the truth, and the light to you actually creating a sustainable career. But for God's sakes, if you were invited to a freaking interview, be freaking interesting. Voice act. Do something. Just don't be boring.